What is going on, people? It's been quite a while since I sat down and spoke with you all. I think it's been like a year? About a year since I last spoke with you all. It's I've been really busy filming. If you can't tell, I have been so busy. I've been going to some crazy locations in the UK, like quite a lot around Suffolk and Norfolk, but like I've just been to some crazy places. And with doing all of this comes some unexpected problems as well. So, the new video, it's an RAF base, or an RAF building now, just one building, it's a shell. Now, I lost all the footage, unfortunately, because it's my own fault. I was going around deleting files from the activity centre I went to, and I forgot that I record like 2 or 3 videos in the same day, and I completely forgot that I recorded this RAF base in the same day, so I just hit delete on them all. Big oof. Now, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put the photos in the video with the history underneath it, underlaying it, so you'll have the history with the photos right now. Let's go.
During the Cold War, this building was home to the Bomber Command's photographic squadron. The photographic factory was built in the 1950s as a separate compound to the south of the airfield. The job of the factory was to process the huge amounts of film taken from the planes on an industrial scale. The factory processed photographs for more than 40 years before being closed in the 1990s as technology had moved forward into the digital era. The buildings were sold off for redevelopment, however, nothing has happened to them, and the factory has stood still ever since.
And then, welcome back. I hope that was like kind of interesting. I mean, the best part of that place were the photos. Like, the place itself, when you were walking through, the floor was so dangerous. Like, I didn't know if I was going to fall through a floor, or if I was going to put my foot on like something which I shouldn't have. Like, for example, a bit of metal with like a nail, like. A nail, like going through a bit of wood or anything like that, because that place was so like dodgy, and yeah, not good. Apparently that place has just got worse and worse over the years. Anyway, so that was the RAF base. It was like just kind of like a filler video, really. It was just something to like fill for my next big one coming. So next week's video is massive. It's a old derelict, but not abandoned now. It's a derelict site, which is a old RAF base / RAF hospital. It's pretty mad. Now, I was lucky enough, I got paid 20 quid to go around it, and I ended up spending 5 hours or 5.5 hours there. So I've got to go and edit through 5.5 hours worth of footage. Now, this one might take me 2 weeks to get out, so if it does, I am sorry, but it's going to be so worth it. Anyway, so let's carry on to when more exploring goes wrong. So, for example, I went to this abandoned naturopathic centre, which is they use herbal remedies to like heal the illness or like anything that's wrong with you. Now, you used to pay something like £100 and something or nearly £200 to stay there for the weekend, which is expensive, and then you had to pay extras as well, I think. But as you can see in the footage, I'm going to be speaking over the top of this now. As you can see in the footage, I was running up to the place because we were running through this field where people can see you. So we just, like, me and Sam just ran across this field, and then when we got there, we looked. Flashing lights on it, CCTV cameras on it, new fences put around it, and there was like brand new signs nailed on places, and we were just like, yeah, let's not risk this one. So we didn't go in. But yeah, that was the naturopathic centre.
They got spotlights on them.
Then, this is the video which I've been meaning to make for about half a year, since some explorers don't always go right. Then me, Jake and Dan. If you don't know him, Jake's been in one of my videos before. Dan hasn't, but Dan's like now in one. He's Jake's mate, and we all get on so well. We love going out together. But me, Jake, and Dan went to a like abandoned water tower. Now, where it is on like, it's on a public footpath. So there's a public footpath going all around it. But like the people that own it is a private estate. Now, last time Jake and Dan went, there was a window wide open, and you'll see in the footage which I'm about to play that the window had been boarded up completely. And yeah, we don't break in anywhere. We never break into places. We just go through holes, and if someone's made a hole there recently, we go through it. We don't do anything like that. We are respectful explorers. And yeah, the hole had been repatched, and here's the footage now.
Okay, so at the moment, to get to this abandoned place we're going to, we are trying to get through all of this. And this is what we've come through so far. Yeah. Next time, if anyone comes here, bring a machete. That's how you get through here. So that is what I've trekked through so far with Jake and Dan. Fun, and we've still got all this to go. Ah, they got CCTV on it now. Yeah, up there.
Right.
Okay, so this is going in the Urbex Fails, like, folder. We try to get in. There is a camera on it now, so we're just chilling. I've got Jake and Dan. Do you want to shout out your Instagrams?
Yes, at JakeV50 on Instagram.
Go follow Jake.
At Dan Weatherly.
Go follow Dan. Put links in there into their Instagram down below in the bio. But yeah, this is one of the fails. I'll just quickly get a few videos from the outside, and then we'll probably go. Built in 1902, I'm guessing. Is that what it says? Right, do you reckon that's when it was built? Yeah. Built in 1902. There we go. So yeah, this will go into a video of my Urbex fails. Catch you in a bit.
And so, people, that is the end of this video. It's a bit different. I've been saving these kind of like short little snippets of like footage which never went right, or just places which I went to and it never got released. If I have any more, I will drop more at the end of the video, just like little bits here and there which I haven't used of footage recently, or just places I haven't been, or just photos I haven't used in videos. Yeah. I've also been working on another pinmill video that will be dropping soon, because that place has my heart, and it's just and then I think before I'm going to drop this hospital video though, I'm going to do a sunset one, because I haven't done nature one for a while. I've been doing a lot of abandoned, so yeah, we've got a nature one coming first. Anyway, I'll catch you all later. Thank you for watching this. This isn't something I kind of planned, it's just I sort of lost a load of footage and I was like, yeah, let's do it now. And you can probably tell I'm winging this. See you later, peace.
Alright, so me and Macaulay were meant to be going to this abandoned place. Instead, we're gonna go there later, like early morning. So we're just chilling on the sea wall, getting photos and videos. And this is gonna be something that someone's requested of mine, which is make a like ASMR, or like make a video of some water. So yeah, this is it. Whoever requested it, this is for you. That was an alright video though, to be honest.